This is a video for the seal plug insertion system that we built to insert these very small seal plugs. I'm going to zoom in on them. They are little squishy rubber seal plugs that had a couple of challenges in building this to be able to insert them reliably. But it appears to be running well. We've had quite a bit of success once we've gotten it tuned. In order to run this machine, you need to be connected to an air line here at 80 psi and plugged into standard 110 AC wall current. This switch here turns on the bowl vibrator, and as you can see, once it's on, the seal plugs start traveling up the ramp to the feed mechanism here, where they feed into the slide assembly, and the ramp is pretty good at clearing out log jams. You know, eventually it'll work its way free, but if you're operating it and you run out of seal plugs, you know, you can always check and make sure that the slide system hasn't jammed. The seal plug feeds down the slide mechanism and then is cycled by the shuttle here into the parts tube, which then travels down this cord to the insertion gun, where it comes out the tip and is inserted into the seal plug. So here we are again with the seal plug gun and a connector. Now the way you operate this is you press the tip in, which has to be pressed in firmly, and then you pull the trigger, which stages the seal plug, and then inserts it like so. So press trigger, like so. Now you can see there's a little vent hole here, and if you look at the vent hole, you can actually watch the seal plug arrive through the parts tube. Now if for whatever reason you don't insert it all the way because you weren't pushing hard enough, you can just go back with the tip like this and press it flush. And again, doing this is a bit of a learned skill, but once you become proficient with it, they go in really nicely.